Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Do you have room to grow mango trees? This is my fruit punch mango tree, a native of Florida. This is a grafted tree. It's a moderate growing tree, very fast growing. It's kind of a new type of mango tree. Right now I'm growing it in a pot. It's very leggy. I will decide whether I will put this mango tree in the ground or not. By the height of it, it may go into the ground. It is not a shade tree, so it will all depend on next year's growth of whether I enter it into the ground or not. This right here is a Carrie mango tree. It's a medium-sized semi-dwarf tree. It's an early season variety and a very fast-growing tree. You can keep it trimmed so it can stay around 10 feet, but if you put it in the ground, it'll hit about 20 feet. It's sweet and fiberless and not stringy. So this one right here, I'm going to put it in my 45-gallon pot as it grows taller. It's more wide than it is tall. So I like to keep my trees short, fat, and choppy so I will be able to reach the fruit. This mango tree right here is non-duck mai. It's a medium size. It came to Florida in 1973. This variety was very popular in Thailand. It's no fiber and it ripens in June and July. This is a medium-sized tree. I don't know how fast it actually grows. It doesn't seem to be growing that fast. So it will stay in the pot until I figure out the speed or the length it will grow in. This mango tree right here is the Dwarf Hawaiian, originally from Puerto Rico. These trees are compact and excellent for containers. This tree will give you multiple crops because they flower multiple times a year, even in the fall. The first crop you'll usually get in April. So this is a nice, small, compact size dwarf mango tree. And yes, this is the old Tommy Atkins. This tree is from Florida and is commercially sold in supermarkets. It's disease resistant and the fruits ripen and they're ready in June and July. This is a very fast, large growing tree. So this one will most likely go into the ground. I will have to go ahead and chop the top so I can go ahead and make it the stem fatter. This right here is the Super Alfonso. This is supposed to be a very heavy producer. And this tree right here, the fruit does not ripen on the tree. You need to go ahead and take it off and place it on the counter in a cool, dry place for 7 to 10 days for it to ripen. This tree grows very, very quickly. But most likely I'll keep it short and in a large size pot. This is the Valencia Pride. This tree is a large, vigorous grower. It's actually a shade tree. It's a late season mango, July to August, and it produces a lot. I actually wish I would have kept it into the pot until it got just a little thicker, but I decided to place it in the ground because I found out that it's a very large, fast-growing tree. But if I could have did it all over again, it would have definitely been in the 45-gallon pot right here to the left. But it does grow pretty quickly, so we'll see what's going to happen with this tree right here. Like I said, this needs lots of space. So this tree right here is a Hayden / Tommy Atkins tree because it's grafted with both. This is commercially sold. This type of mango is disease resistant and the fruits usually ripen in June and July. This is a fast growing large tree, so this one will most likely go into the ground. Again, you need to have at least 15 feet between large mango trees. This sugarloaf tree right here is not a fast growing tree, and it's actually not disease resistant. I'm having a little problem with the tree right now, so I had to chop it back to give it another chance. So let's hope that it'll come in nice and healthy. This right here is another grafted Carrie mango tree that I basically got for free. So it's having a little bit of trouble, But we're going to go ahead and see how far we can go with this tree also. And that will be in the pot also for a long while. Hopefully it can regain its health. This right here is the ice cream mango tree, and it grows about to 6 feet tall. These are definitely excellent for containers. This tree is originally from Dominican Republic, and it's a very good producer. It usually ripens in June to July. And this is a baby one right here. It's taken a while to actually start growing, but it's going swell. This Alfonso tree, not Super Alfonso, but Alfonso tree, this is another problem tree that I actually have. Okay, this is supposed to be a late variety, June and July. And this is an Indian mango tree right here. And it doesn't like humidity and too much heat. It seems to not be too fungal resistant, but I'm going to go ahead and take up this challenge and see if we can get this tree growing. This one will most likely stay in the pot, at least till it gets some serious size in it anyway. And here we go with my other ice cream mango tree. This one is a more fully grown tree. It'll reach up to about 6 feet tall. This one has given me 2 sets of mangoes. So this tree is the only tree so far that has given me mangoes. This is a dwarf tree, so this is definitely excellent to be in pots, and it usually fruits to June and July. This tree is originally from the Dominican Republic, and it's a good producer. So if you want a patio or pot container tree right here, this mango tree is it. You will love the taste. So if you like this video content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so I can upload more videos. And enjoy the rest of your day. Let's go ahead and grow some mango trees and have some fun. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.